Good evening, everyone. I've never done this before. I'm not a video kind of guy. I have accepted the challenge that's been set forth to me by Dan and Wendy Sperling to taste a cicada. Actually, to eat a cicada. So, I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to challenge further. We ready?
Wait, we need a good shot. We need a good shot of that.
Tastes like something burnt. A little bit.
Try another one.
It really doesn't have a whole lot. You think it's really light. Really light. There's hardly anything consistency to it. It's not bad.
Take your word for it.
I'm trying to put a taste to it. I really can't.
Crunchy cicada.
No, it's not chicken. All right, so here's the challenge. Joe and Cheryl Richards, we're challenging you. I am challenging you because Connie won't join me to taste the cicada. It's really good. You'd be surprised.